we have the metronome out again in this video. The video is called Split the Difference. It is similar to our last video. The difference would be that instead of matching our techniques to the actual noise that we hear on the metronome, we're going to match our techniques to the silent intervals in between the noise. We're still going to be in a rhythm, it's just we're going to place our techniques at a different location in that rhythm. It's a little more challenging. I'll do a comparison, side-by-side comparison for you so you can see what I'm referring to. So let me get the metronome on. So this would be in rhythm. Very easy. And this would be in between, or splitting the rhythm. So hopefully you were able to capture that. It takes a little bit more practice to try and work your techniques in between the noises that you hear rather than at the time frame when you hear the noises. So let me give you a simple way to maybe reconfigure your thought patterns on how to do that. If I turn on the metronome and I touch the dummy every time I hear it, I must be doing something when I don't hear it. And what I'm doing is pulling it back. You see what I'm doing? I'm retracting. So in my mind, I just have to say, I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to touch the dummy when I don't hear the noise and pull it back when I do hear the noise. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it back, 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 pull it back. You say, just training my my brain waves to actually just correspond to making the noise a negative motion rather than a positive motion, a motion that goes backwards instead of forwards, is helpful for me to establish this pinpoint timing that I'm trying to achieve. Let's do both. So what we're going to accomplish now is we're going to try and match a rhythm with one hand and split the difference with the other hand. Okay, here's the example. I'll go on the inside of the dummy arms this time. So match, 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 match. Okay, and basically that's really the process. The next step to actually trying to keep improving and sharpening your timing skills on the wooden dummy. That was Split the Difference. We're going to be working on our next video, which is the last video in this volume, and that'll be called Put It in Reverse, and hopefully we'll get that out there soon. Thanks for watching.